Hi everybody, David Lewis here, and today I want to share with you the 8 rules to great customer service in your service department. You follow these 8 rules and you're going to have some great CSI scores and some very happy customers. Rule number 1 is always answer the phone. Answer it within the first 3 rings. Very important. Rule number 2, please don't make promises you can't keep. A customer would rather you tell them the truth, even if they don't want to hear it, than make a promise you can't keep. Rule number 3, listen to your customer. This is a big complaint we hear all the time. They don't feel the service advisor is listening to them. They talk over their heads. So listen. Rule number 4, deal with complaints immediately. Complaints are not going to go away. They're only going to get worse. So deal with them now so you don't have to deal with them later. Rule number 5, do your best to be helpful, whatever it can be, for anybody, for any situation. Rule number 6, an easy one, be kind, courteous, and polite. Treat people with dignity and respect, and guess what? They'll do the same with you. Rule number 7, go the extra mile. If somebody needs to know what's going on with their car, the best thing you can do is text them, call them. Sometimes a simple text that, hey, we're still working on your car, I know you're waiting, it won't be much longer. Go the extra mile to make them feel like you really care about them. And rule number 8, try to always throw something extra in at no charge. Whether it be a free car wash, whether it be something simple to their car. If you can do it and not charge them, it means the world to most people. So follow these 8 rules and you're going to have great CSI scores, you're going to have great customers, and you're going to be very, very profitable within your service department. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.